Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to do deep research correctly using Gemini. So I will use two Gemini here. So both of them are Gemini, but the first one is the website gemini.google.com, and then the right on your right, this is the built-in Gemini on my Google Chrome. So if you could see that, you just click this Ask Gemini. So in this case, I will do some deep research. So I will choose deep research, and then I just, instead of using my own words to do the prompt, I ask my Gemini Google Chrome to do the prompt. So I simply ask the Google Chrome Gemini, write me a prompt very detailed for Gemini deep research regarding making content on YouTube to make money. Very simple. You just iterate on this discussion using your Gemini on Google Chrome on the right, and then later Gemini will give you one shot prompt. At the end, your goal from the Google Chrome Gemini is one shot prompt to generate a very good deep research. So that's how it's called, commonly called multi-agent prompting. So we do prompting using another AI. So it's more common right now. So instead of using our own words, because sometimes we couldn't expose what we intend to, so we use another AI to make a prompt. So that's it. This very cool method. Just try by yourself. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.